Hey, welcome. My name's Jarvis. Today I'm making Informed Consumer. Today I'm going to do an unboxing of the Fiio BTR5, which I'm hoping will declutter the amount of stuff I need for these Oppo PM3s. I'm hoping to reduce all of this and just be able to use my headphones with BTR5. Let's do an unboxing. I'll do a review later. All right, let's break in.
No. Let's use the laser to break into these suckers.
Oh no, that went a little deeper than I thought it would. Let's see if it's okay inside. Looks like we got our quick start guide. Didn't go through the other side. That's garbage anyway. All right, in the box. Quick start guide. Right on top, it looks like we've got the BTR5 wrapped up nicely in a little bag. That is what I'm hoping will make my Oppo PM3s wireless. I'll give a review, talk about all these different features. But so far, the box is looking pretty good, pretty standard for China. Underneath here, again, I mean, everything coming out of China looks just like it's the same. Wrapping, cardboard, internals, all black. Looks like we've got a charging cable. Pretty short, USB-C. Thank you. And this is the clip. You notice this is glass, doesn't have a clip of its own. So this is the case. That'll snap into. You can go in any orientation, upside down, right side up, left, right, doesn't matter. The geometry is the same on any side. So however you want to clip it, you can clip it. Doesn't really matter. Other than this, I don't know that there's much else in the box. Let's take a look. Oh, well, nothing I'm ever going to look at. There we go. Pretty simple. This is all I wanted anyway. I'll do a review of this in a while. If you want to catch up on when I do that, you know what to do. I'll see you in the next video.